Flooding emergency? Peru, April 2023. State of emergency due to Yacu cyclone. Due to the heavy rain, rivers like Ulaga, Ucayali and Amazon have increased, affecting surrounding villages. The Peruvian National Meteorological and Hydrological Service have notified and increased the prevention measurements, especially in the flooding areas, so people can have an early evacuate. Tumbes, Piura, Lambayeque, La Libertad, Cajamarca, Ancash, Loreto and Tarapoto are suffering the effects of the weather. With constant rains that keep the streets flooded. Likewise, the regions of Ica, Lima, Piura, Puno, Tacna, Tumbes would have a high probability of flooding due to the occurrence of heavy rain events. An approx. Of 750,000 people are currently affected due to the flooding emergency. Families have lost their homes and other family members. This number can increase in the coming weeks. Due to the natural disasters, there is limited access to safety shelters. There are current needs in terms of livelihoods and shelter, food packages and sanitary kits, access to medicine and health.
Para Legión Patriota, desde el distrito de Piura.
Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Have a nice day.